Hey baddies, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be cash stuffing my YouTube paycheck for last month, and this is going to be really simple, cut and dry. I'm actually going to pay off a debt with most of this money, so we won't be here long. My name is Jasmine. I am a cash budgeter. I do zero-based budgeting. If you're new here, that means every dollar has a place. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's get into our fragrance of the day. Today we are going to talk about Chance by Chanel. This is a really clean, this scent gives me like grown, like she has a job, she has retirement account. This is giving very much, she knows how to budget her money. This is just really clean adult scent. It's not overpowering. I don't really consider it a night scent, but it's great for an everyday scent. It's also affordable and super chic. All right, so let's talk YouTube. So last month I was paid $978. I pulled out $980 just because I had to use the ATM today. So let's go ahead and put this money where it belongs. So we are going to be adding, as always, 10% of this money to our savings here. If you are an OG, you know that I pay savings no matter what. I really wanted to throw all of this money towards debt, but I'm sticking to my word, honey, and I'm paying myself. So 1,000, 2,000, 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3,000, 100, 10, 20, 30, 32, 33. So $3,133 in our savings account. And since I only have to do 3 envelopes, I am going to go ahead and update my tracker because I have a busy day tomorrow and I don't want to forget. So from our baddies, oh shoot, it was actually YouTube. We added $100, so $3,133. Okay, so that's actually it for this envelope. Wait. Okay, so the debt I'm going to pay doesn't have anything to do with this binder, so that money will just be put aside. But we are going to pay our YouTube taxes here. And so we are going to set aside $200 for YouTube. Just because my tax situation is crazy, so I don't want to not have enough. 102, 3, 354, 455, 550, 570, 590. So we now have $590 in YouTube taxes for the year. So we are covered on that note. And then we are going to take this last money here, and we are going to pay this towards a medical collection I have. As you guys know, I'm trying to repair my credit, and this company offered me a pay for delete, so I'm going to go ahead and take them up on that. So 102, 3, 4, 5, 556, 620, 640, 660, 680. So this $680 will be going towards that debt, and it will be paid, okay? Because sometimes that is the most important thing, y'all, right? So thank you guys so much for watching. I know this is a short one today. I just appreciate you all being a part of this community and being so active in this community, because this check would not be possible without you all. Make sure you are subscribed to keep up with my next YouTube check. I'm trying to make sure that I increase my income every month, that I'm staying more consistent. But all of my platforms are growing, so it's almost like a rat race some days to respond to comments and stuff. So I really do make an effort to stay in connection with you guys. So I appreciate you so much. We are coming up on 10K, and I think I finally have my mind wrapped around the giveaway, and it is going to be, you don't want to miss it. So you make sure you guys are already publicly subscribed so you can be entered into the giveaway, because It's a good one, sis. All right, y'all. Thanks so much for stopping by. Y'all have a great weekend. Bye. Okay, so I'm back for a second because I realized I did have a few questions about YouTube income the last time I get paid. So the way YouTube works is once you're monetized, you get paid via AdSense. So it's not directly through YouTube. YouTube pays Google AdSense and then they pay you, right? And so you're not paid per 1,000 views or anything like that. It's based solely off of people watching your content, what ads are posted on your content, and it kind of varies. It's really hard to track. So basically, this is my thank you to those of you who sit through the ads or click on the ads. I appreciate you. That's where this income comes from. So if you are interested in getting started on YouTube, there is a link in my bio for an app or what do they call it? Like an integration. It's called TubeBuddy, TubeBuddy. There's a link there for you guys to download that, and it has been instrumental in helping me grow my channel and make sure that my videos perform. So if you are an old YouTuber or new YouTuber, make sure you check out TubeBuddy. Again, that link is in the description box, and it'll help you get going. Okay, I'm going for real this time. Bye.